All right, what's up? Gonna make a white mocha. So 16 grains. Perfect. Let's go finer this time. 20 white chocolates. That didn't grind all the way. Horizon organic pasture raised whole milk. Just what I always use. Just below the spout right there. It makes sense to do it grind all the way. I did make the grind finer. Give it a pretty hard tape too, so I'm expecting a slightly slower extraction. We'll split this one. Yep, as expected. It's actually coming out really nice though. Thing about the split shots, so it's like espresso can taste differently, you know, like that first bit of liquid that gets down there will taste a certain way. Right now it'll taste a different way, and then like later in the extraction it'll taste different too. The idea behind the split shot is that I'm getting, you know, generally the better consistency and flavors of using a double basket rather than a single basket, and I'm getting that full range. So it's trying to be like the best of both worlds without compromising on taste, you know. All right, yeah, the puck came out pretty good on that, so I think that was a good extraction. Of course, I'm going to give it a taste. Tastes pretty good. It's pretty strong, but I prefer that. That's the strength I expect. I'm not surprised from that taste. Just gonna let it air like any other latte, nothing too special here. Give this a swirl to mix in that white mocha, the white chocolate, white mocha, whatever you want to call it. You'd be surprised how effective just doing this swirl is for mixing in stuff, including like chocolate syrups and whatnot. Chocolate powders I'd still use a mixing tool like a spoon or whatnot. Come on. All right, whatever. There we go. It is like a double heart shape. Just call it that. Anyway, here's the drink. Give it a taste, of course. Wow, yeah, that's really nice. It's just nice and easy to drink. That's why I like white mochas. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all.